I'm here at SUP Bacalar, and we're about to go on this incredible catamaran tour with so many different destinations, with cenotes, the Pirates Channel, and more. And you're going to see so many behind the scenes with my friends Aga, which is her birthday, and I'm going to have her say a word, Jen and Gamel, and maybe more will come join us. And I want to give a big thank you to Daniel for hosting me and for providing an amazing group discount, which definitely asked about you guys, and Louise, our neighbor, which connected all the dots as well. So stay tuned, because we're just César, el capitán nuestro.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien. Vengan al paraíso, amigos. Humildemente a la oficina.
You know I'm going to leave the audio, right? Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You guys, I am here at Pirates Channel in Bacalar. This behind me is actually a restaurant that they tried to set up, but part of the reason why it failed is the government shut it down for apparently a couple reasons. But look at this.
It's very nice.
Come to paradise. And you're gonna see a fun clip with us and the girls and the tostadas, which doesn't mean tatas, but we'll tell you more about that. Stay tuned for an episode with Jen and I. 1, 2, 3. Tostadas!
Can I make a picture with him?
Yes, you can. You do anything you want.
Now me.
Jen, how do you feel?
So nice.
The way you will do that. Our birthday crew, Aga, Joel, Jen. Let's talk about
And he had this like
Jen. Let's talk about the real shit.
ventilation
Let's talk about the real shit or the video.
over just this really simple like
Go, bow, bow. Just finished the tour with SUP Bacalar. Absolutely recommend the Catamaran tour with 4 to 6 people. We ended up going to the Pirates Channel, to Cenote Negro, and to the island of the birds, which you cannot go super near to. You can't swim there, you can't go on the land because the stromatolites and the protected bird series. And I'm so grateful, and we all had an incredible time. Thank you so much to SUP Bacalar. Yo estoy terminando de mi tour con SUP Bacalar. Vamos al canal de Pirates, de Cenote Negro y de Isla de Pájaros. Yo soy muy agradecida a Daniel, a nuestro capitán, de César y de toda compañía de SUP Bacalar. Muchísimas gracias. Besitos.